Street lights glow, the world moves slow. I'm the shadow that you barely know. They race for clout, they race for fame. I'm out here killing laziness and shame. It ain't about who's first in place. It's about the sweat drips down my face. That's the trophy that I need. Healthy life is all I feed.
So, good morning mga friend, and currently we're here now in Robinsons Mall. So, mag-jog walk lang tayo ngayon, magpapawis mga friend. Today is Wednesday. So, there's a lots of tasks na gagawin natin today. But before that, magpapawis muna tayo mga friend. Kasi importante yun sa akin mga friend, yung pagpapawis. Nakakakalma kasi kapag nababawasan yung toxins sa ating katawan. Yun yung mga na-experience ko, medyo nakakaisip tayo ng mabuti. So tara Litchi, hindi na ako magdadala ng LED light kasi nga I think it's already 5:31 in the morning. So no need na magdala ng LED light. So first time natin dito mga preng, morning. So nakatry na kami dito pero gabi. But today morning tayong mag-jog walk dito. And look at that view mga preng. Sobrang liwanag. So walking lang, then slow lang tayo ngayon. May mga kasamahan tayo, kaso nga lang doon na sila nag-start sa may Lagaw area, National Highway papunta dito. So ako nagmomotor ako papunta dito. So mauuna na lang tayo kasi nga sila nauna na doon. Ayun na, good morning mga friend. It's another morning here mga friend na naman na pagpapawis. Pero inaantay ko pa yung mga kasamahan natin. I think dito pa sila sa National Highway, papunta pa lang dito. So nauna kasi tayo dito kasi na nagmotor tayo. Then so habol oras din kasi mayat trabaho na naman tayo, duty na naman tayo mga friend. So Robinsons Mall ng Jensen. Good morning.
Street lights blow, the world moves slow. I'm the shadow that you barely know. They race for clouds, they race for fame. I'm out here killing laziness and shame. It ain't about who's first in place. It's about the sweat drips down my face.
Grand Summit mga preng. Grabe ang ganda. Woo! Main road papuntang Bula na yan. Tsaka National Highway.
Now let it drip, yeah, burning out. Toxins leaving no more down. Not for gold, not for show, just to let my story grow. This ain't race, just maintenance. No medal for my patience. I run to feel alive. Don't care who's first to ride. Let it drip, burn it out. Toxins gone without a doubt. Not for fame, not for gold, just to see my story told.
Pagdating mga friend.
Yeah. Sun comes up, the crowd appears. Ghost goes out, they spring with fear. Left and right.
Already 5:50 in the morning. Still here. Ganda na sikat ng araw. Woo! Morning mga friend.
Not for gold, not for show, just to let my story grow. This ain't race, just maintenance. No medal for my patience. I want to see a light. Don't care who's first to ride. Let it drip, burn it out.
So update. Nakakadalawang ikot pa lang tayo dito sa may Robinsons. Still jog walk pa rin. Ayan, 2.13, dalawang ikutan kasi nakakarating ako dito sa may ayan, Grand Imperial, tapos dun sa may parking space ng Grand Imperial. Still ikot-ikot pa rin tayo. Jog walk lang. Walang competition as long as nakapagpapawis. Whew. Good morning. Ganda ng sikat ng araw. Dito tayo ngayon sa likuran banda ng Robinson's Place. Daming nagja-jog walk dito mga pre. Yun. So ganun pa rin, jog walk lang. Walang competition as long as napagpapawis tayo. And time check, it's already 5:56 in the morning. And lumalabas na si Haring Araw. Whew. Good morning.
Wind in my face while I chase the day. From city streets to the world I pay my way. Every road I walk is a brand new stage. Life is an adventure, not a lock cage. Mountains high where the sunrise glows. Endless roads where my story flows.
So 2 point something na tayo. Inom muna tayo ng tubig. Ayan, 3.07. Tara, continue tayo. Then pass tayo later, mga isang ikotan na lang. Kasi it's already 6 AM na. So tatapusin na natin to, then uwi na, then prepare para na naman sa bagong task natin for today. Good morning mga praying. It's already 3.07 na tayo. Resume na natin. So ganun pa rin, jog walk pa rin tayo. Walang competition as long as nakapagpapawis tayo. Good morning.
Mixing the beats with the dreams I chase. Even in the dark I light up the space. Broken roads or smooth highways, I keep moving forward at my own pace. Every clip I film is growth in motion. Every step I take is pure devotion. Let the noise talk, I'm looked in focus. Purpose in my veins, the future is gorgeous.
Hindi ko na nakita yung mga kasamahan natin. Woo! Good morning. So it's already 6:10 na. So kailangan na natin umuwi, mag-prepare para sa bagong task, bagong sa trabaho natin mga friend. Woo! Check natin pang ilan tayo ngayon. I think hindi tayo maabot ng 5 PM, pero that's okay kasi nga mga 5 na tayo nag-start. Yep, it's already 4:13, but that's okay. As long as nakapagpapawis tayo mga friend.
My mind's in control, I'm chasing the moment, I'm chasing my soul. I'm moving slow, but I'm steady, feeling right with every breath I'm taking. Flight, the world's in motion, but I'm on my own. Moving through life, feeling so wrong. Step by step, I'm finding my grace in every motion, I'm in my place.
So time check, it's already 6:17 in the morning. So tapos na tayo dito, naka 4 point something tayo mga praying. But that's alright, that's okay. Kasi nga meron pa tayong trabaho, mag-prepare pa tayo sa bahay. And tara, let's go. Good morning.